Hey everyone! Tired of juggling multiple tabs just to track your e-commerce data? Boardroom is here to change that. If you run an online store, you know the hassle, checking Shopify, Amazon, Google Ads, and SEO tools separately. It's exhausting. With Boardroom Lifetime Deal, you can centralize everything into one powerful AI-driven dashboard, track sales, optimize SEO, generate product images, and more. No more tab overload, just smarter insights and better growth. Stick around as we dive into why this deal is a must-have for bloggers, e-commerce owners, and small businesses. Let's get started. What is Boardroom? Boardroom is an AI-powered e-commerce analytics and SEO platform that brings all your business data into one streamlined dashboard. Instead of switching between Shopify, Amazon, Google Ads, and multiple tracking tools, you can monitor sales, advertising performance, and SEO insights in real time. With automated reporting and advanced data integration, you get a clear picture of profits, customer behavior, and inventory levels without the hassle. Boardroom simplifies decision-making, saves time, and boosts organic traffic, making it an essential tool for online businesses. Sounds amazing, right? Trust me, once you try Boardroom, you'll wonder how you ever managed your business without it. Seize these limited-time lifetime deals on AppSumo. Normally, a tool like this would cost you a small fortune. But right now, AppSumo is offering a special lifetime deal starting at just $69. Let's take a closer look at the plans and features you get with this lifetime deal. Boardroom lifetime deal pricing and features. License Tier 1, $69, original price, $288. Offering lifetime access, up to 99 monthly orders, AI-powered keyword research, AI-powered blog creation, AI-generated product descriptions and emails, AI-powered product photography studio, SEO website audit reports, multi-channel reporting and KPI tracking. License Tier 2, $209, original price, $588. Everything in Tier 1, up to 499 monthly orders. License Tier 3, $455, original price, $1,188. Everything in Tier 2, unlimited monthly orders. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try Boardroom for 2 months risk-free and see if it's the right fit for you. 5 most important features that make Boardroom special. All-in-one e-commerce analytics dashboard. Boardroom consolidates everything into one real-time dashboard. AI-powered keyword research. Boardroom's SEO suite helps you find high-value, low-competition keywords to rank higher in search engines. AI-generated blog content and SEO optimization. Boardroom's AI will generate SEO-optimized articles for you. Automated reporting and KPI tracking. Boardroom helps you to stay on top of your business with scheduled reports. SEO website audit and backlink acquisition. Boardroom helps analyze your website's SEO health and even acquires high-quality backlinks to improve search visibility. People who can benefit from Boardroom. Bloggers, e-commerce store owners, small business owners, Amazon sellers, SEO agencies, digital marketers, content creators. Do you fit the bill? Or know someone who does? Tag them and share this deal. Snag an extra 10% off on AppSumo deals. Want to save even more on the Boardroom lifetime deal? Here's how you can get an extra 10% off. How to claim your discount. Visit the Boardroom lifetime deal page on AppSumo. A pop-up will appear. Enter your email to subscribe. You'll receive an email with a 10% off promo code. Apply the code and save even more. Math wizards, that's savings on top of savings. What are people saying about Boardroom? Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. This deal won't last forever. If you're serious about scaling your e-commerce business, now is the time to act. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and grab your Boardroom lifetime deal now. Found this video helpful? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech deals and reviews.